Wi-Fi is not working on your ChromeOS. No network showing, Wi-Fi toggles missing, or it's stuck on turning on. Don't worry, in this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to activate Wi-Fi in ChromeOS, and more importantly, I'll explain the real reason why Brunch sometimes fails to enable Wi-Fi on ChromeOS. And yes, at the end of this video, I'll share you some cheap Wi-Fi dongles that are completely supported with ChromeOS natively, so you can get online instantly. Just a quick note before we start. If you are using official ChromeOS on a real Chromebook, hardware support is strict. But if you are using Brunch ChromeOS on a Windows laptop or PC, Wi-Fi capability depends on your Wi-Fi chipset and kernel driver support. So the method I'm showing today is perfect for both, but especially useful for Brunch user. First, let's activate Wi-Fi normally. Click on the time in the bottom right corner, click Settings, go to Networks, click Wi-Fi, and turn Wi-Fi on. If your Wi-Fi turns on and you can see Networks, perfect, you're done. But if you don't see Wi-Fi at all, or it turn on, then keep watching, because this is where Brunch user usually gets stuck. Before we go deep, try these quick fixes. They actually work in many cases. Restart ChromeOS, turn airplane mode on and then off. Forget the Wi-Fi network and reconnect. Reset your router once. Try a mobile hotspot to confirm it's not your router. Why Brunch Wi-Fi fails on ChromeOS? This is the part nobody explains clearly. ChromeOS doesn't work like Windows. In Windows, you can download and install drivers manually. But in ChromeOS and Brunch, you can't just install random Wi-Fi drivers like that. Your Wi-Fi chipset must already be supported by the kernel. If you're using a Realtek card, especially certain RTL models, Brunch may boot fine, but Wi-Fi won't work. For examples, RTL 8821CE, RTL 8723DE, RTL 8852 series. These chips are common in body laptops, but they're also the biggest reason people lose Wi-Fi on Brunch. Sometimes Wi-Fi hardware is detected, but the firmware doesn't load, so Wi-Fi options disappears. Basically, ChromeOS says the device, but can't activate it. If you are dual booting Windows and Brunch, some devices store Wi-Fi states or power settings, and Brunch doesn't always handle that perfectly. Alright, now I'll show you how to check your Wi-Fi adapter models. This is super important. Press this on your keyboard. Ctrl-Alt+T. It opens something called Cross. Now type shell. To check internal Wi-Fi card on your laptop or PC, type this command. If you see Intel, you're in a good place. If you see Realtek RTL, that's likely your issue. Now if you're using USB dongles, check USB dongles. Type ls USB and hit enter. Now look for keywords like Intel, Realtek, MediaTek, or Relink. So what's the real fix? The best long-term fix is using a Wi-Fi chipset that ChromeOS supports better. If your laptop supports internal Wi-Fi core replacement, Intel cores are the best. Intel AX200 Wi-Fi 6 and Intel 8265 or 9562 Wi-Fi 5 is recommended. These are stable, fast, and much more capable. Now the part you've been waiting for. If you don't want to open the laptop, or you just need Wi-Fi quickly, here are some cheap USB Wi-Fi dongles you can buy. And yes, these are popular options that are known to work on many ChromeOS Brunch setups because they use chipset with strong kernel support. TP-Link TLWN725 in Nano USB. This is one of the best cheap Nano USB adapter you can buy. Small, portable, and works great for basic internet. RTL 8188 150 Mbps USB Wi-Fi dongle. This super cheap 150 Mbps dongles are often a good choice because older chipsets can be easier for kernel support. And eSports 150 Mbps Nano USB Wi-Fi dongle, another budget Nano dongle you can test. Great if you want something small and simple. Zebranex Mini USB Wi-Fi adapter 300 Mbps. If you want a little better speed and range, Zebranex has a affordable 300 Mbps adapter too. Now listen, I want to be 100% honest. Even if the dongle works for one person, it may not work for everyone because manufacturers sometimes change the internal chipset without changing the product name. So before buying, always check reviews and confirm the chipset if possible. After plugging in the dongle, do a quick test. Go to Settings, Networks, and then Wi-Fi. Check if Wi-Fi toggle appears there. Now run ls USB. If the dongle shows up there, ChromeOS is detecting it. If Wi-Fi still doesn't show, that means the driver isn't loading. And that's exactly how you activate your Wi-Fi in ChromeOS. Why Brunch Wi-Fi fails, and which cheap Wi-Fi dongles you can use to fix it fast. If you want me to recommend the best dongle for your exact system, drop your output in the comments, and I'll tell you what chipset you have and what you should buy. Like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.